This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. To start, I will let you know that I'm going to use the Google Drive application for it. In my opinion, it's the most convenient tool that you can use for such task. Not only it is convenient and does its job just fine, it also usually comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to additionally get any other third-party app. So anyway, let's launch the Google Drive app. In here you will need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. In here, let me quickly delete my previous files that I have. Then at the bottom right corner of your screen you'll find the plus sign, which you want to tap on. Then go for the scan option, grant Drive app the camera access or camera permission. And in here, once this little interface gets launched, you gotta simply take whatever the document that you wanted to take a scan of and make a good photo of it. Once the photo was taken, ensure that you are satisfied with the result. If you are not, just redo or retake the photo. I'm somewhat satisfied, so I'll proceed. At this interface, you can crop the image even more, so perhaps trim off an extra edges that you do not want to mate to the final PDF file, and just generally align your scan better. So make all the adjustments that you want with it, frame it the way you would like your future PDF document to be. Once you're ready to save the file, just hit that save button. At the Save to Drive menu, you can rename the document and change the Google account and Drive folder that this file will be saved to. Then hit the save button once again, wait for it to get uploaded to Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.